Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be unboxing my Good Bean box. This is $24.95 a month. This is my first time to get this, so I have no idea what to expect or what's going to be in here. I mean, I think it's supposed to be mainly skincare products. It says healthy beauty plus natural wellness delivered. And when I went on there to sign up, I had to take a quiz, and it was an in-depth quiz. I mean, they ask all kinds of questions about, your skin, and the way I understood it is they're supposed to put stuff in your box that will help the problems that you have that you put on your quiz. So I thought it'd be neat, to give it a try. So I'm anxious to see what's in here. So this is how it comes. And here's a card on top, and then there's that. And the card says, the one way to get me to work my hardest was to doubt me. Michelle Obama. And then on the other side, this says members only special offers. This is different places that you can get percentages or discounts, like 10% off, 15% off of different websites by using the code like Good Bean, Good Going, Good Glow. That's neat. You get like 20% off if you shop one place. It don't look like any. Well, I've heard of Juice Beauty, but I don't think I've really heard of any of these places. But anyways, oh, and almost forgot, you also get to go on there and pick 2 things that you want to be in your box. So I thought that was neat too. I like being able, to go on there and pick a couple things, and then the rest of it is a surprise. So let's see what I got. We got NKD Self Tan Skin Gradual Glow Daily Tan Moisturizer. Suits all skin tones. It's for body and face. So there is that. And I'm not sure that I will use that. I was hoping there was I don't know if there's a card. Oh, there is. Look, you get little cards for each item in your box. Well, that is neat. And here is the Gradual Tan. Oh, and it also says the full size 8.45 ounce would be $14.99. This is a 1.69 ounce, so this is a maybe a deluxe sample. So, yeah, I probably won't use that. Okay, and here we have a Roots Naturals Lighten Up Hydrating and Brightening Face Moisturizer. Seems like this might have been one that I picked, but I'm not for sure. And this says, oh, The full size 1.7 ounce would be $48. And it says the value of the products provided, $14.10, would be how much this will be worth. I didn't see that. Oh, and the value of the product, it just fell, of the self tanner would be $2.99. That's how much it would be worth. So let's see. It doesn't smell really bad. It has a light scent. Okay, next we have a Pacifica Wake Up Beautiful Super Hydration Sleepover Mask. Replenish and quench your beauty sleep. Relaxation, aromatherapy, dry and combination skin types. So this would be worth $15 because it's the full size. It says one full size 1.7 ounce, $15. This is a 2 ounce. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a 2 ounce. So that's full size. And then we got a Blooming Revelation Mask. Honeybee. Wild honey, aloe, and apple pectin. By Good Medicine Beauty Lab. And the value of this is $16. The full size for a 2 ounce would be $32. So I like how they tell you what the full size would be plus the value of what you got. And it seems like maybe this is what I picked too, but I can't say. I'm always going to forget what I picked and what I didn't. That's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. Okay, there should be, one more thing. And I dropped the card. This is Ellen Vita All Sinus 100% natural essential oil formula. Congested and blocked sinuses can really zap the pleasure of healthy breathing. The gentle soothing effects of All Sinus is long lasting. It says apply a few drops under the nose and or outside the nasal passages and inhale through the nose. Alternately massage a few drops over sinus area. For severe condition, pour several drops into boiling water and inhale the steam. So the full size of this would be $20, and this, the value of this is $10. So on one side they tell you about it and tell you the full size, and then on the other side they tell you the value of the product you got. So I like that. It's really neat. This will be neat to try, like I get a cold or something. And I'm pretty sure this honeybee mask, I'm pretty sure I picked to get this in my box. And I'm thinking that this Lighten Up Brightening Face Moisturizer, I was thinking I picked it too. But it was either that or this that I picked. I can't remember. Seeing when you get to pick a couple of items, they'll have like 4 or 5 listed that you can pick from, and some of them is like, I think, sample or travel, and then there's some that's full size. So I try to go for the full size when they have them, because when you get more product like that, you can, you'll be able to tell if it actually works or not. So that's it for this unboxing. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.